Hello? Hello? Anyone there? Molly, stay out of my room! And who's messing with my stuff? Yo. No, forget it, Molly. Mom, I'm not leaving till Friday. Mom. Molly, out of my room! It's like what? No, Mom, no one's gonna want those old toys. They're junk. Whatever you say, Mom. You need a hand? Let me hear. So you're gonna miss me when I'm gone? Nope. Yeah, Mom, we've said goodbye like 10 times. Mom. It's okay. You will be, Mom. Who's it now? Oh my God. I'll come back. I miss you. Hey, Buster. Now don't let Molly near my stuff. Hey. Hey, Mom. So, you really think I should donate these? Hi. Oh, yeah, right now, actually. I have some toys here. So you're Bonnie? I'm Andy. Someone told me you're really good with toys. These are mine, but I'm going away now. So I need someone really special to play with them. This is Jessie, the roughest, toughest cowgirl in the whole West. She loves critters, but none more her best pal, Bullseye. Oh, come on, yeehaw! Here. This is Rex, the meanest, most terrified dinosaur who ever lived. Roar! Roar! The Potato Heads, Mr. and Mrs. Gotta keep them together because they're madly in love. Now Sleeky here is as loyal as any dog you can want. And Ham, he'll keep your money safe. But he's also one of the most dastardly villains of all time. Evil Dr. Porkchop. These little dudes are from a strange alien world, Pizza Planet. And this is Buzz Lightyear, the coolest toy ever. Look, he can fly and shoot lasers. He swore to protect the galaxy from the evil Emperor Zurg. Now, you gotta promise to take good care of these guys. They mean a lot to me. Woody? What's he doing in there? Now, Woody, he's been my pal for as long as I can remember. He's brave, as a cowboy should be, and kind and smart. But the thing that makes Woody special is he'll never give up on you. Ever. He'll be there for you, no matter what. You think you can take care of him for me? Oh no! Dr. Porkchop's attacking the haunted bakery!
Buzz Lightyear to rescue!
Those guys.